Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Ambreen and you are watching Learning with Dr. Ambreen. Today I have brought the first university, Pakistani university for you. Many of the people from Bangladesh were requesting me to show them Pakistani universities. So I thought to introduce the universities of my own country as well. So the first university which I have selected is Quaid Azam University. Actually, this documentary is on 50 year celebrations of Quaid Azam University that's located in Islamabad. So I thought it better to share these celebrations with all of you. So I'm so excited. Let's take a start. I'm sure you'll like this university. So here it goes and start.
Nestled in the footsteps of Margala Hills, a breathtaking landscape and architectural design emulated on the model of Texela civilization, Quaid-e-Azam University, the country's premier seat of learning, is entering into 50th year of its foundation.
50th
The
year.
university was established through an act of parliament in July 1967 as University of Islamabad, and it was renamed after the father of the nation, Quaid-e-Azam University, in 1976.
And here I would like to tell you that it's the flagship university in Pakistan. It is top ranked university, and to get admission into this university really means something. It's a real achievement. I mean, it's not easy to get admission into this university. Remember it, okay? So
Quaid-e-Azam University's incredible academic grandeur spanned over 5 decades, with 270 faculty members and 11,224 regular students in BS, MSc, MPhil and PhD programs, 28 departments and 9 affiliated institutes. The university holds the distinction of being top-ranked university
no
in the
doubt.
national rankings.
The Azam University has entered the 50th year of its existence. The university was set up as a research university, and we are proud and pleased that year after year the Higher Education Commission has ranked us as the best university in the country.
No doubt in it.
Not only the HEC, US News and World Report, which is a very reputable publication in the United States, very recently ranked us as the top university in Pakistan.
With its exotic scenic beauty and bewitching greenery, the university is informally called as Mini Pakistan, with students' representation through quota system on merit from all over the country.
Faculty of Social Sciences is one of the biggest faculty, having 10 departments and 5 affiliated centers. Initially the idea was that these should be center of excellences, but later on they were developed as full-fledged departments. Recently, undergraduate program also been initiated by the university. So some of the schools, they are the best in Pakistan. The response we are getting, this is enormous.
Having produced world-renowned scientists, academics and researchers in every field, Quaid-e-Azam University has always been a trendsetter and harbinger of change in academia of Pakistan.
No doubt.
Conducive culture of learning, coupled with freedom of thought and expression, Quaid-e-Azam University has been breeding ground for several celebrated intellectuals. This intellectual lineage is thriving and prospering with fresh voices and perspectives.
The Department of History is one of our best research departments. We have an outstanding faculty, and practically every single faculty member in our department has at least one book by the Oxford University Press or a leading international publisher.
Faculty of Biological Sciences at Quaid.
Yes, and it's not easy to be the faculty of this university in that sense that the job here is quite competitive. You have to be extraordinary in terms of teaching, in terms of research, in terms of your academic background. So it can be the real honor to be the faculty or the student of this university.
Quaid-e-Azam University is producing remarkable research which is evident from the patents and research discoveries. It is also a matter of great pride that Quaid-e-Azam University is the largest contributor to the widespread academia of Pakistan.
I am Dr. Wasim Ahmed, Dean Faculty of Biological Sciences.
Okay.
In this faculty, we have 8 different departments, from animal sciences, plant sciences to pharmacy. We have 2,500 students in the faculty, including 400 students registering PhD program. The faculty is publishing something like 300 papers in international peer-reviewed journals every year.
This university is still a cradle of promising scientists with outstanding contribution and global recognition.
I'm Dr. Mushra Mirza, professor in biochemistry department. I think it has been a wonderful journey as a student in this university and then as a faculty member.
No doubt.
It provided me a lot of opportunities, and whatever I am now today is because of this university. Recently, I have got the Assistant Women in Science chair. I always advise my students to come to this place because it's kind of a life changer for them.
Faculty of Natural Sciences, its scientists and researchers have widespread acclamation. The faculty is a recipient of numerous national and international awards.
Professor Dr. Abin Basra, currently I am working the Dean Faculty of Natural Sciences, which comprises of 8 departments. Mathematics, chemistry and physics are the leading department of natural sciences. We are publishing around about 50 PhD each year and publishing more than 600 papers annually. I think it is also the natural science of this university is the leading natural sciences in the country.
Out of many, Professor Dr. Tasawwur Hayat holds a tremendous distinction of being the most published scientist of Pakistan. It is noteworthy to mention that Dr. Hayat published 212 research articles in the world's leading journals in the year 2016 only.
I was inducted as a lecturer in Quaid University in 1998, and immediate after getting PhD degree, I was promoted as an assistant professor and then to associate professor, and in 2007 I got the Distinguished National Professor of the Higher Education Commission.
Not only established and seasoned scientists are making their headway, but the university is providing a platform to young and emerging academics.
Azam University has given me tremendous exposure. It was always my dream to be a part of Azam University's faculty. Today I am prospering as a young promising social scientist, and it all owes to Azam University. This is the premier seat of learning, and I am proud to be a part of Azam University.
Quaid University has a generational lineage where many students turned academics are contributing towards the excellence of the university. They are serving as an impetus and eventually making this university a #1 university of the country. Previously as a student and now as a faculty member of anthropology, I always feel proud to be part of my alma mater, and I take mammoth pride in our term, Quaidian once, Quaidian forever. Quaid University is determined enough to continue its role in nation building and paving a way towards change through education and an embodiment of principle of academic excellence, freedom.
Okay, so once a Quaidian, always a Quaidian, right? So that's the whole summary of this documentary. Salute to all those people who contributed in making this university one of the premier university of Pakistan, and I'm sure that my audience from Bangladesh, from all over the world, they would like this university. And inshallah in future I'll bring more universities from Pakistan. I'll give reaction. I'll introduce you to Pakistani education system as well. Thank you so much. If you like this video, hit the like button and do share your opinion in the comment section. And last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.